No Ace. Anonymous asks, like I look, like I might know. YOLO, sweater jogs down the stairs. ABC radio plays the weather. No, I say, like I know what she needs. The weather gives way to election news. Asylum seekers, Torres Street. Bob arrives back from the tip. Fucking scavengers, too quick. Piles of this, piles of that, standing guard. The far science fiction story has grown through the week. Inside the shed, green paint. There's a wall that moves through space, like a wave that whips its tail, observing everything in its path. On planet Utopia there's no word for lazy, no corruption, no blood. The radio broadcasts static, outside the shed green grass. Laziness isn't even a word, a concept. It's being bred out, like corruption and blood. Jane Doe drinks metho, yells at the sun. The movie plays to her direction, observer, actor, critic. The radio breaks through to the static with news of the world. Don't know what I'm going to do tonight. I don't drink anymore, but I'll have a smoke. Voting intentions measured, analysed, critiqued. Over at the BBQ, hot order. There's a fucking ginger cat. Gal yells into a phone at a voice inside her head. Static voices. Static voices. Rage. Bend over, that thing needs weeding. Rage. Silly cunt. Rage. See ya, Rhonda. Love you. The soupies from a line upstairs. Spoons clink, plates clap, chairs scrape. Rage. Savoury mince, salad, mash, apple crumble, custard, cream.